Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will share with you step by step how to deposit money in Polymarket from Binance. So friends, if you want to deposit your money, follow me in this video. Go to your Binance, go to deposit section, choose deposit a crypto. When you click deposit a crypto, search for coins or network. You should be verify your required. Choose the network or coins you want to deposit. For example, you have deposit. For example, you want to deposit a crypto. For example, just wait, click on coins, transfer crypto from here, scan this code or copy this address, choose the network you want to deposit, and then all you have to do, click on this paste in the network. After that, select the network as I say, and then choose your amount you want to deposit to your Binance account. So just copy your address on wallet from here, copy this wallet, paste here, and then complete your deposit process. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video.